No, it's not. Bornet is happening.
It's gambling.
You don't want to shopping yet, go?
Recalculating. Take pride on North Arkansas Avenue, then turn right.
This is Atlantic Sea.
Pwede ba dito ng ano?
Go straight, Dad. One way lang yan.
Wow, Caesars. Caesars.
Recalculating.
Yeah, there.
Turn left on Christopher Columbus Boulevard, then turn left.
Dito lang tayo sa self-parking, ano?
Pero Caesars, ha? Huwag ka sa trap.
Ay, bakit hindi? Dito lang sa trap. Ah, si Caesars? Okay.
Meron sa pasag ko.
Ah,
Ay, hindi mo na umano.
si Joe walang paano pahawakan mo para sa